your partner. Tapos you have to put up the shoes. Okay, ready?
So ito,
So, kunwari,
Kung who is the most maarte.
Oo.
hindi ko na-gets.
Like,
So
kunwari,
itong shoes na to, ako. Tapos ito siya.
sa tingin mo ikaw yung manting. Ayun.
So basically, you pick which one is best fitted for the question.
Yeah.
Gawin ka man.
Here you go.
Okay.
Parang, okay.
Question number 1.
Okay na rin, no? Pwede.
Who made the first move when you met?
Siyempre.
Sa akin niya ginawa.
Okay, question 2.
Who said, I love you first?
Sorry mga chismosa.
Sa akin rin sinabi.
Ay, galingan mo.
Okay, who is more romantic?
Ako.
Hoy!
Merong hindi nagsasabi ng totoo.
Ay, sabi ka na totoo.
Magsabi ka ng totoo.
Honey.
Parehas kayo romantic.
Okay.
To be fair, oo.
Aww.
Okay, okay, magbigyan si Kuya RG.
Nice word.
Who is better at keeping secrets?
Ay, siya.
Oh, sure.
Ay, yes.
Yeah, no, he was...
Did you say me?
Yeah, you know, he was gonna say you.
Oh. Depends what secret.
Okay. Who is more likely to be running late?
That's easy.
No looking! No looking! Wala pang sagot si
Ay,
RG.
wala.
No looking.
Very sure.
It's always Kuya RG.
He's always late.
Okay. Who is a better dresser?
Oh.
Ay, siya.
Wow.
Siya yung ano kay Party.
Bakit ka nagsasalita?
Ay, sorry.
Bakit anong sense ng
Sorry. Sorry,
Okay.
boss.
Who spends more money? Really?
Trisha.
That is such a lie. Go Nen. 1, 2, 3. Taas nyo ah.
Hasta na.
Oh, between you. Sinong who spends the most money?
Between you.
Ay, kami?
No, sa inyong dalawa.
Which one of you guys?
Sino mas maluho or ganon? Parang ganon.
Hindi ko gets.
Sino bang next?
Ano ba? Pag
So, out of-
date kami or sa amin para
Sa
sa amin
inyo lang,
Sa
yourself,
MJ, oo.
yourself. Parang you might like to buy shoes, si Krisha makeup, who spends more.
Ah,
Unnecessary things, yung parang mga ganon.
Unnecessary things? Patayin.
Siguro yan.
Okay. Who is a better dancer?
Si RG?
I have two left feet. Ako nagdudugi ka.
Ano?
Lagi ko nung sumalas Kuya RG. Because, black flip.
Hoy!
Black flip.
Oh, wow.
Pero
Matayin.
anong dance at all. So, it's Kuya RG.
Alright, next. Who is the most organized?
Ay, wag ibaba. Ibaba niyo yan. Wala sa isa sa inyong organized.
Ito, RG. Magsabi ka na totoo.
Oy, magsabi ka rin ng totoo, hindi ka rin organized.
What you mean?
They both think
Hindi
they're
na mag-give up.
Give me James.
Nagplag ng puti.
You know?
Okay. Who has the most clothes?
What's the most clothes?
Yay.
Okay, advertisement muna.
And action!
Okay. Who spends more time on social media?
Ay, wala.
Oh, that's hard.
Wala.
If you had to pick though, if you had to
Yeah,
pick.
you have to pick one.
It's what we podcast as social media.
No, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter.
Ako na lang.
Okay.
Aminin ko na lang.
You haven't been honest?
No, but, I mean, we don't
Compared
really
to
stay
RG.
on it, you know, I mean, yeah. Compared to RG.
I just watch movies. Okay. Alright, next. Who is loudest?
Alam na dito.
Bakit mo tinitignan? Akala ko ba bawal?
Eh, pwede di ba? Pwede ko yun.
After mo mag-decide. You
Oo.
have to decide on your own.
Who will like this one? Who apologizes the most?
Ay, alam na this.
Ah!
Okay.
Parehas tayo?
Aww.
Sino?
Ano mo, kasi yung nilagay niya?
Let's go.
Ikaw.
Ikaw no.
Wala yung sorry sa vocabulary nito eh.
Oy! Nagbago na. Okay.
Who loses face the most?
Ay.
Yeah.
Sinong burara? Ayun, sinong burara?
Oh.
Ako.
Alam na.
Oh, I like this one. Who is more likely to kill a spider?
None of them. No!
Kill a spider!
Ay! Tama pala! Hindi siya mag-gina.
Ayun na.
He's not gonna go near spiders.
I don't like
I'm not scared of spiders.
Oh. Okay. Who is the messiest?
Bakit tingin na siya kagilang tingin? Dapat bawal mo
Wait,
nito.
nakagalan na ako. Bulang tinignan kita.
Oh, yes. Who is more likely to wake up grumpy?
Um,
Oh. Krisha.
Oy! I can argue with that, but okay.
Who uses the most hair products?
Shampoo and conditioner lang ako, men.
ito nga hindi nagsashampoo eh.
Alright. Who has the smelliest feet? Okay. Who is more annoying?
In what way?
In every way.
Did you say it's me?
No.
Yes, you didn't you?
Right now, who do you love the most more than anyone in this world?
Jesus.
See? I told you.
Aray!
We're not holding Jesus' shoes. They only have, theirs for the other person.
Okay.
Okay na.
Yun. Ayan, dami.
Ay.
Panalo ako?
Walang panalo.
Ay, ang price nyo.
Sino nanalo? Kinain ni Ako! Sino namin tama?
No, it was just, for us.
Mga chismosa lang. No, nagsisihulugan na lahat.
I am though. I'm very grumpy.
May effects.
Actually, pag...
Wait, nag-start yung effects.